As the oranges freefall, high-tech lasers scan their surface 360 degrees. Air jets
The system ensures a constant feed to the processing room.
Once sorted by size, the oranges are rapidly funneled into single-file lines, moving quickly toward the extractor where the juice is removed.
The massive screw conveyor efficiently moves the shredded peels, which will soon become cattle feed at the nearby mill.
The juice flows through a plate heat exchanger, where stainless steel plates raise the temperature to 95 degrees Celsius.
This clear and potent flavor, often called liquid gold, will be added back later in the process.
These massive vessels hold the juice for year-round bottling. The drop of juice hits the sensor. The screen gives an instant reading. The technician nods and logs the data. Quality is confirmed.
The hot preforms enter the mold. High-pressure air expands them instantly into the signature juice bottle shape. The cycle is a blur.
Using powerful jets of air, the lightweight bottles are caught by their neck rings and blown along the track at high speed, flowing like a pneumatic river.
The bottles enter the rotary rinser, where grippers swiftly flip them for a high-pressure blast of sterile water before...
The conveyor twists, turning the filled bottles on their sides or upside down for 30 seconds.
As the bottles leave the tunnel, the high-velocity air knives blast away every droplet of water, leaving them bone dry for the next stage.
The film drapes over the bottles. The cutter slices it. The pack moves into the heat, transforming from loose to a solid brick of juice. The flaps fold 1-2. The tape is applied smoothly. The box exits the machine sealed and secure.
The AGV turns 180 degrees with the load. It drives off autonomously, dodging up. The orange peel waste passes through a screw press, extracting this valuable cold-pressed orange oil.
The oil emulsion enters a small, high-speed centrifuge. It separates the pure essential orange oil from the nozzle dispenses the precious liquid. The bottle is sealed. This is the essence of the orange captured.
The grease is applied to the moving chain. It operates smoothly and silently. Preventative maintenance keeps the line running.
Proceed to aisle 47. Pick 3 cases of orange juice.
Confirmed. Moving on.
The consumer responsibility loop is closed.
The arm dumps the bin. The material is collected to be reborn. The industrial cycle is ready to repeat. The flow here is chaotic but highly effective. Smaller materials like glass and caps fall through, while larger items move on.
The sensor detectable signature of PET plastics. A targeted puff of air then shoots the bottle onto a different conveyor at incredible...
The bottles vanish into the hopper. A stream of clear plastic flakes pours out the bottom. This is the new raw material.
The flakes enter a water tank.
PET flakes sink, while cap material, PP or PE, floats.
The dry PET flakes are fed into the extruder. The screw melts the plastic, which flows like clear honey. The molten plastic exits the die plate directly into water. Rotating blades cut it into small pellets. A slow pan up the massive silo. This process restores the plastic's strength. The recycled material is now indistinguishable from virgin plastic.
The mold opens. Fresh, clear preforms drop onto a conveyor. The old bottle has become a new bottle. The cycle is complete.
Efficiency is environmental.
This is the heat source of the plant.
The cooling fans spin at high speed. The machines hum with deep resonance. Air is the invisible muscle of automation.
The robot turns a corner smoothly. It leaves a clean, dry trail. The factory hygiene is maintained constantly.
The silent sentinel of safety.
Reroute the convoy approaching the bottleneck in Sector 4. Zoom in on the lead vehicle.
Confirmed. Adjusting the ETA now.
Scene 106. The night shift begins.
Morning, Ahmed. Ready for the line?
Yes, almost done here. And then he said it was a feature, not a bug. I couldn't believe it.
You're kidding me. They actually bought that.
Oh.
Back at the farm in winter, the trees are dormant. Mechanical pruners trim the canopy into precise box shapes.
Nature initiates the next production cycle.
The wind blows gently. The fruit holds on. The potential for next year's juice is growing.
The container is lowered into the ship's hold. It locks into place. The product is going global. The flash fires. The image is crisp. This is how the world sees the product.
The orange turns orange. The bottle fills. Nature and industry meet.
Thick orange concentrate is pumped through a scraped surface heat exchanger, or votator, to chill it into a semi-frozen slush at
The drum fills. The weight scale monitors the load. The bag is sealed. This pulp will be exported to countries that blend their own juice. Water vapor recovered from the evaporators is condensed and filtered. This cow water is purified in stainless steel columns, then reused by the factory.
This is the energy heart of the operation.
The arc strikes. Sparks cascade to the floor. The metal fuses. Precision fabrication keeps the juice flowing.
The machinery stands silent sentinel, ready to protect the facility.
Okay, you're all set. Have a safe shift.
Appreciate it.
The trainee reaches out. The simulation responds. Safety is learned before touching real steel.
The heavy door opens. Cold mist rolls out. The standard for perfection is kept here.
The high loader lifts the pallet. It enters the fuselage. These samples will be tasted in Tokyo tomorrow.
The drone flies backward, revealing the vastness of nature. The day ends, but the trees keep growing.